Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Justin, and today I'm gonna be power washing my driveway. I just wanted to take you guys along for the ride and show you how I do this thing. So let's get this thing started. Hey guys, so as you can see, the wife took over for a little bit for the power washing. I just wanted to show you real quick what we're using as far as soap. We picked up this purple power stuff just from our local dollar store, and it's working pretty good. The label on here says that you can use it at full strength. It is like an industrial strength degreaser, so definitely recommend wearing gloves, but I got some on me. It didn't really mess with my skin too much, but it definitely works pretty good. As you can see back there, the driveway's looking great. We might do a couple videos like this. We got some sidewalks in our backyard that I want to get done. It definitely makes the concrete look a lot better. They were pretty grimy from when we moved in. I'm just going to continue showing you guys some time lapses and videos of how it's going so far. Also, another tip for you guys, I just picked up these two water hoses at my local Dollar General. All this lawn and garden stuff is going on sale. I got these one for free and 25% off. So go to your local dollar store and other stores and look for that discounted lawn and garden items that it's going to be real cheap for you guys. Ignore the giant mess in my garage, but just wanted to show you guys what I used to clean the driveway here. It's this purple power stuff. I got this just at the dollar store. It worked pretty good. I heard that you should use a degreaser whenever you're doing driveways and sidewalks and stuff, and this stuff works pretty well. And as you can see here, it recommends you use full strength, no dilution when you're using this stuff. Also, just wanted to show you guys my power washer here. This is what I have. This is a Generac 3100 PSI Max. This thing is pretty nice. I've had it for quite a while, and it's still going strong. Just keep up with the oil and everything because it is a gas-powered unit. They do make electric ones, and I'll show you real quick. So I have this thing. It's just a Walmart brand. It isn't nearly as powerful. It's about half the PSI of the other one, so it's not the greatest. It'll get the job done though if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a pressure washer. You can use one of these, but if you're gonna pick one of these up like I got, the minimum PSI says 2500. I don't know if it'll work with lower PSI than that, so if you know, leave it down on the comments below so other people can know too. But this thing, man, it works awesome. You can see the results. It's a lot easier to use this than it is to use the nozzle tip. All right guys, so as you can see, it got dark on us, so we weren't able to actually finish the driveway here. I am gonna make another video doing this portion back here. And I also plan on maybe doing a little series where I'm doing the sidewalks in my backyard and the patio area that I have over there. So if you like that kind of this kind of content, definitely let me know down in the comments below. It's just something new that I'm trying. And I really appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like this kind of content, just like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's really appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.